Clubhouse versus Instagram Live. That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video. Hey, what's up? My name is Kylie Francis, and I'm a social media marketing consultant to CEOs and entrepreneurs. And I'm here to teach you guys the profitable social media marketing strategies that are working right now to grow your business online. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys find any sort of value in this video. Now, we all know what Instagram Live is, right? It's, live streaming. We can go in front of our Instagram audience. We know who they are. They know, like, and trust us to some degree because they already follow us. Clubhouse, on the other hand, is this whole new whirlwind of a social media app that's still in beta mode. So what that means is only 20 million users are on Clubhouse. I have 50,000 followers on Clubhouse, so I think I can provide a little bit of perspective for you guys on the key differences between Clubhouse and Instagram. So let's get into it. There's about 6, but I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. So like we all know is that Clubhouse is a live audio app. It's like live podcasting. Instagram Live, on the other hand, is a live stream, so they can see your face. So we have Clubhouse's audio only. Instagram Live is a live video app. Now, Instagram Lives are capped at 4 hours, whereas on Clubhouse, they are unlimited. So there was this Clubhouse room that went for 12 days straight. And how that works is Clubhouse is more collaborative, whereas Instagram just introduced rooms. So now you can add up to 4 people, whereas on Clubhouse, you can have an unlimited amount of people on stage. I've seen some stages where there's about 200 people on stage. Now, there are pros and cons to that, but the biggest pro about that is that you can stay on stage for an unlimited amount of time, whereas Instagram Live is capped at 4 hours. So the first difference is that Clubhouse is live audio. You can stay on for however long. Instagram Live, you're capped at 4 hours and it's video, so you do have to show your face unless you pull one of the, holding the hand up onto the camera. So that's the first difference. The second difference is that on Instagram Live, you are limited to your following count unless you pair up with somebody else, like another influencer or a friend to pair up with their following. But there's always a cap to the amount of people that can see your live stream. The opposite is true for Clubhouse. You can hop into any room and speak in front of any amount of people with having a 0 following count. And you do that by raising your hand and going and entering and speaking in other people's rooms. So one benefit to Clubhouse is that you don't need a following in order to reach potentially and probably more people than you would on Instagram, where you're really only limited to the amount of people that follow you. Plus, if you did a joint live with somebody else, they're following as well. So that's something to keep in mind. That's one pro that I love about Clubhouse is that it does not matter how many people follow you. As long as you raise your hand and you're an expert in your niche, you can raise your hand, go up to speak on stage, and you can speak up to like 3,000 people at one time. Now, that might be an extreme case, but there are at least rooms with at least 100 people that you could speak on with no followers. So if you're thinking right now if Clubhouse is for you, compare that to your Instagram Lives that you've done in the past, and you'll see that Clubhouse actually has a benefit because you're speaking in front of potentially 100 people that have no idea who you are. On Instagram, they already know who you are. So I view that as a benefit. That's up to you and your own marketing strategy. Now, another key difference on Instagram Live versus Clubhouse is that on Instagram Live, there's actually a tipping feature now. Clubhouse is still new. They've been whispering down the lane about tipping, but we're still waiting on that. So for now, on Instagram Live, you can have the tipping function. On Clubhouse, you don't. So like I said, that would really matter if you were an influencer. I would say above 50,000. But with Clubhouse, you can still direct people to your Instagram. That's actually how I've grown my Instagram. Almost 2,000 followers every 2 weeks was by speaking on stages on Clubhouse And then they naturally want to follow me on Instagram. So the best thing about Clubhouse is that it's an attention grabber. I can speak on stage, speak to what I know, which is marketing strategies. They're going to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, which is also awesome because when I'm on my Instagram lives, I know those people are from Clubhouse and they're already interested in what I have to say. So that's something else to keep in mind. Another thing too is that Instagram Live, you can record it and then repurpose it with an IGTV. The opposite is true for Clubhouse. If you look in their terms and conditions, you're not allowed to transcribe, you're not allowed to record videos, or you're not allowed to record audio either, unless you let the audience know that this session is recording. So you would write that in your room title and say, this session is being recorded, so people understand that they are being recorded in your room. So what's the biggest difference? Which one do I choose? I kind of spilled the beans on my third tip, but this is my strategy with Clubhouse versus Instagram. Clubhouse is an amazing way to get attention immediately. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Clubhouse and you're going to speak to what you know, whether that be marketing strategies, whether that be real estate, whether that be, if you're a hairstylist, you go into those rooms in front of people that are interested in what you have to say. Those people are naturally going to follow you onto Instagram because there's no messaging yet, in-app messaging on Clubhouse. When they go and follow you on Instagram, you know they're already interested in what you have to say. Then you can hop on the Instagram Live. Then you can add people from your Instagram Live to join you on those live conversations from Clubhouse. So use Clubhouse to get the attention. Use Instagram Live to build that community. That's my marketing strategy. I hope this video helped you. If you guys love this video, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any questions at all, anything I missed, always let me know in the comments. I would be so appreciative if you gave me a subscribe. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, always let me know in the comments because your question could quite literally and anonymously be the topic of my next live stream. So I hope you guys love this video and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.